on the Novice X2 Limited, no flags, tight on the corner, everybody running. We had buoy missed initially, 230 and 588. That's John McMullen and Brad Thompson working on first place and second. As the back stretches out, moving into the back stretch.
Go get him!
For those that don't know, if you see a rider moving back and circling the buoy, that means he probably thinks he missed it, or he did miss it, and he's got to go back and pick it up. Otherwise, he loses a lap. Expert X2 modified to the starting line. That's Expert X2 modified to the starting line now, please. After 588. That's Brad Thompson in front. Followed by 600 Blake Corning. In case there's a Seahawk fan in the crowd today, the game is over. The score was 10-6. The Seahawks won. 10-6, Seahawks. Game's over.
God, why is it so slow?
I believe they were playing New England. Yeah, the Patriots. What I believe to be 3 laps. The leaders are still Brad Thompson, Blake Corning. Expert X2 modified to the starting line, please. Expert X2 modified. Still our leader, Brad Thompson for Jet Factory. Blake Corning for Federal Way Cycle Center in BC. And in third now, number 81, Mike McMullen from Linwood. All moving into the white flag lap.
Come on, B. As we have a racer moving out. Maybe a little cycle trouble there. There's a gentleman here today that's looking for an XR 200 motorcycle. If you're interested, come up to the DJ booth and leave your information. If you have one available, he's interested. And our winner, Brad Thompson, followed by Blake Corning and Mike McMullen. Last call. Isn't that it?
Expert X2 modified.
Is that it?
Women's runabouts to follow that.
Why are they still racing? Get over here!
he stayed in second for all 6 laps.
Sorry, I can't see. I hope I didn't hit you. Hey!
Kelly!
Racers, be advised, do not do what that racer just did and razz through. Please keep your speed down to 5 to 8 miles an hour while moving to the starting line.
Was that your victory
for
lap?
safety's sake. Thank you.
I love it.
We did have last call for Expert X2 Modified. Both appear to be okay. As the pack stretches out.
Go,
John McClellan out in front early. And we apparently have a Miss Bowie. I'll get the information to you shortly. As all races are now up and running. I'd like to call the novice women jet ski, expert women, and the novice 440 super stock to the starting line now for the rerun of that race. Excuse me. We won't have an expert in that one. Tony, on this next race, there's a helmet on one of the riders in this race that needs to get to a rider in this next race. So we'll be pausing momentarily. Moving further out in front, John McClellan. Followed by Blake Corning and Brad Thompson, second and third. And the rest of the pack, stretching it out. Still have time to pick up your Jacqua water athletic gear. He's got the new flapper hats for a great deal of $7. Stop by and see him. Darren will help you out. Once again, I'd like to call novice women jet skiers and novice 440 super stocks to the starting line, please.
Look at him check.
I know, he always does now.
They should just say, fuck it, catch up with the first person.
Moving into the white flag lap, that's John McClellan out in the lead, followed by Blake.
Him not.
If he keeps it, this guy's running his butt.
Are they gonna lap that guy? Okay.
That's number 83 in third place now. That's Roger Salzburg. Last call for Novice 440 Super Stock. You should be on the starting line now. There will be a momentary pause while an equipment change takes place. There is a racer in this race. He needs to get a helmet to the racer in the next race. And our winner, John McMullen. And Roger Salvesberg in that order. 1, 2, 3.
Happy anniversary. Hey, did you see my lid? My gas cap lid?
No, that's what I just...
I went down there and the thing was gone. I forgot to put it back on.
Does it float?
No.
So
Yeah, it does.
Strong pack into the first corner. Novice X2 Limited. That's Mike McMullen out in front. And I believe that to be Kelly Jenkins in second for Jet City at this time. Third and fourth just changing hands as they round the fourth corner. Pack stretching out again. Excuse me, that is Brad Thompson in second. Followed in third by Blake Corning for Federal Way Cycle Center and BC Service. This many racers on the course, the water is getting quite choppy. Expert X2 Modified to the starting line now, please. Expert X2 Modified to the starting line. After two, leaders still remain the same. racers now moving into the white flag lap. Last call for Expert X2 Modified. You should be on the starting line. Appears to be Mike McMullen, followed by Blake Corning. And I don't know why, but boat number 2741, belonging to Dale Petrie, is out there on the course. Probably belongs to one of the other racers. Expert X2 Modified should be on the starting line, ready to go. Women's runabouts will be next. Women's runabouts will be the next race after the start of this next one.
Yeah, that made me happy. Me and Kelly down there. I know.
Novice X2 Modified racing's underway. All racers up and running except for one. Oh, we had a little bump in there, and we got a racer down. It looked like a clean bump, I think. Number 600, that's Blake Corning out front. Racers running really hard. Last race of the day. Then I can go putt around. We have a red flag on the course for some reason. I'll get more word about that.
Oh, man.
We're going to reset, right, Tony? And I think we got a clean start this time. Two racers neck and neck running into the corner. Coming around to the start-stop. And once again, Blake Corning out in front. Two racers down, really choppy here in the corner. Go back and pick the buoy up. We have a pair of goggles in the water here, Tony. Right next to the blue buoy. Okay, he's got them. Like I say, this class of race can always be interesting. Another racer down, but back up. Blake Corning. El Shreddo into the second lap. Followed by number 998, which is Kevin Reister on Jetski. Solange on. Hey, little jet spray going on there. Uh-oh, took some water. That's John McMullen trying to play submarine with his machine. Not working very well. Still out in front, Mr. Blake Corning. If he keeps it upright, doesn't miss any buoys, he'll be doing real well. Kevin Reister is second. Indiana always tries to hide his number on the way back. Todd Postloff for Jet City and Bad Bones in third. side of the corner. He's back up and running. Be interested to see what's going on there. There he goes. Yellow flag removed from the course. Full racing ability installed. Don Dahl moving into second for Java Java, passing Kevin Reister. My bus. I stand corrected. He was just slapping somebody. Just trying to make the racers a little nervous. Got the spectators instead. Oh well. We'll have a little gathering not long after the race for the awards. I don't think they'll catch him anyway. He has put in a good race. That's Kevin Reister actually in second. Now at the white flag lap.
Stand there, come on.
And our winner, Blake Corning. And he's in last. Oh boy. Kevin Reister losing power as he was moving on the checkered flag for second place. He will not finish second. I think he's a little unhappy. That concludes racing today, but stick around for the award ceremony shortly to follow. And one more racer to come around. And if Tony would be kind enough to give Kevin a little hand in there. That racer doesn't finish.